Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video, we are going to learn about HTML tables. So, in the series of HTML script language programming, we are learning about tables at the moment, and today we are going to see some attributes related to tables in HTML. So, let's continue. So, Windows key plus R, Notepad, Enter. So, let's start HTML. So, first HTML open, head open, title. So let's give the title as HTML table with attributes. Title close, head close, body open, h1. Let's give the heading as table for students, h1 close, horizontal row. Let's give the color of the horizontal row as, say, red. Then let's open table, let's say height equals, let's say 200, and width equals 200, and let's give what can we give, border equals 3px. Nice. So table height, width, border given. Now tr, let's give bg color equals to yellow. Alright, so let's type names, th close, th bg color equals, say, red. Okay, let's give class th close, tr close, tr open. Let's give td, the table data. Let's give the first name as Abhishek slash td, td open. Let's give the class as class 10, td close, tr close. Let's give again tr, td. Let's give another name Sonia, td close, td. Let's give the class as 12, td close, tr close, table close, body close, HTML close. Now let's give the caption, so right here. So caption, the table will be, say, students details, caption close. Save this table for students .html, enter. Close this. Let's see the output, and here you can see we have given the horizontal row, the caption is the heading 1, and we gave yellow, that is yellow here, and red over here. Okay, so we will also make some more changes now to this particular table. Let's see what changes we can make. Right click, open with Notepad. So td, let's type here bg color equals